Monday, and how are you all doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Trying to fight the snow. I know that. Oh my gosh, we've got so much snow. It's been crazy. So yeah, this is going to be a short video. I have two Walmart beauty boxes to share with you today. Yeah, and I do want to share something else. I got my water. Isn't this cup nice? Don't it remind you of like Starbucks? Yeah, I love it. So I have my water. You know I drink a ton of water. Okay, but I want to show you something really quick, okay? I wanted to show you my nose. I made this last year for Christmas, and I've been always meaning to show it, but I never do. I know I showed it in my shorts video real quick, okay? But yeah, look, check this out. Look at, isn't he cute, guys? Really? His little beard. I always wanted to show it, and I always forget his little shoes. Yeah, this is him. I made all this stuff out of Dollar Tree stuff. Here's his little gloves. His little I know, I really been wanting to share that, so I'm like, let me share it real quick. You know, I'd be forgetting, guys. You know me, forgetting. And I gotta share this real quick. I have the Kardashian hoodie on. It's so pretty, guys. I have to show it real quick. It has a, you've seen it in the photo shoot, but I want to share it. Okay, so let's get on. Okay, so the first box I've had for quite a while. Okay, and I've actually seen it on this girl's channel on Instagram. It was Ashley, and I'm actually going to post a picture of her right here. Yeah, Ashley, because when she unboxed it, I was like, you know, I got to get one of these. And I know a lot of you already know about these boxes. These boxes are $6.98, okay? And you don't get them every month. You get them like every quarter, like maybe 4 times a year or something. I think they're worth it, personally. I mean, I thought, oh, why not? I'm going to get it. I mean, I don't know how long I'll keep them for, but yeah, I think they're worth it. So yeah, this is Walmart Beauty, okay? You know, it comes like that, okay? So yeah, let me show you what I got. Then it has a little booklet in here. It says Walmart Beauty. Okay, it's well worth it to me because, you know, you get all these products and, you know, you get like little samples and stuff like that. So, okay, the first thing I got was a Real Technique sponge. Now, you figure you're paying $6.98 for the box, okay? Plus shipping, I think it came to 7 something. Okay, so I got a Real Technique sponge, okay? Yeah, and that was $4.88. Yeah, just for this. Like I said, so come on, the box is almost paid for already. Okay, then the second thing I got, Burt's Bees Facial Cleanser. That is $8.34, okay? I mean, these are little sizes, but I'm sure if you had to buy a big one, like, well, this I'm sure was the price it said, okay? I'm not sure about this one. This is 6 ounces. Let me see. What is this? See, this is only 1 ounce, so if you buy the big one. But still, you know what I'm saying? You're still getting a sample, so you could try stuff. So, you know, if you want to buy it, yeah. So Burt's Bees Facial Cleanser, yeah. Okay, and then I got some, okay, the full size would cost $5.95. They're Listerine Ready tablets. Listerine Ready tablets, okay, chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. Clean mint chewable tablets, Listerine Ready tablets. Yeah, so they're like this. That's cool, right? I'll be chewing them babies up. Yeah, we want to have good breath, right? I love me some Listerine. Okay, then the next one, they said that was $5.97. Think about it. My box is already paid for. You know what I mean? It's over. You know. Okay, the next item, guys, check this out. Ladies, I mean guys. You know, I always say, "Hi guys," I just be. This is $7.99. This is full size right here. Almay lipstick. Okay, check this out. Yeah, this is cute. It says "Sleep Later Lip Vibes." Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so this is $7.99. Okay, I already paid for my my box, right? Look at it, and it's a nude color. Yeah, I have a very pretty nude color on right now. I have actually NARS on. It's so beautiful. But I'll put that over. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't have no wipes to wipe it. So, you know, but it's by Almay. So that was a good deal, right? My nose keeps running. Oh my goodness. Should have something, right? I should have a napkin here. I mean, Kleenex. Okay, the next thing is retinol. Love some retinol. Complete Night Concentrate. And the full size is $34.98. Now, this is only 3 millimeters, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Still, right? So, hey, this is a good box right here. The only thing I don't care about is this, is the Wild Primrose. Yeah, the comb. I don't care about that because I don't use combs. I don't use brushes. I just use to pick up my hair. I don't put rubber bands in my hair. I don't do any of that stuff because it breaks it off. So yeah, so that's my box. So if you add that up, can you imagine? So yeah, like I said, I seen it on Ashley's Instagram, and I said, oh, I should try that. So this was a while back. She's gonna laugh when she sees it. So yeah, so I got that a while back. Now this one I just got maybe 2 months ago, I think, right before Christmas. The second one I'm gonna show you. So yeah, go over to her channel. I'll put her link down below and tell her that Rosa's Beauty Fashion sent you. She does have a YouTube channel. And yeah, so let's open this second one up and see what I got. I already know to open it, but okay, so it has another booklet. I mean, yeah, you know, they just say goodies all the time, right? Okay, the first thing I'm going to pull out is, it is a liquid dehydration drink mix. Strawberry. Liquid dehydration. Yeah. Okay, strawberry. So that's it right there. I guess you put in your water. So that's good for dehydration. Yeah. It's excellent. Yeah, I like that. And that is $8.98 for a 6-quart. Well, you know, this is what? This goes in a water bottle. So, yeah, because you know I'd like to do that. Okay. Second thing is hydrating mist toner. Okay, I can deal with that. That's $9.99, and that is for a 4.2 ounces. What is this? This is not. This is only 4.69. So, I mean, most of these, like I said, are samples, but they're telling you the price, you know, if you want to buy a full one. But still, right? This is a nice size. Come on, you know, you're getting samples of stuff, okay? The third thing is Gold Bond Daily Body and Face Lotion. Oh, no, I didn't get that. I'm sorry. Oh, no, I didn't get that. I'm sorry. I didn't get that. I got the body moisturizer. Yeah, I got the hydrating. What is it? Yeah, herbal body moisturizer. I got this because they have a bunch of stuff on here. You know, they send you certain things. Like you take a little quiz or whatever. Like they ask you, you know, about your skin or what you like or da-da-da. So I got that. I'm sorry. Okay. Then I got this. I'm so happy about this because I love, love, love Soap and Glory, okay? So I got Soap and Glory hand food, it says. Soap and Glory hand food. Did I say how much this was? This was, I'm sorry, the full size is $19.48. Yeah. Okay. And Soap and Glory full size is $6.98. Yeah, so this is, I love this. It says Soap and Glory hand food, non-greasy, hydrating hand cream. So with shea butter, oil, and I don't know what that says. Whatever, but it's nice. Original pink. Wow, I love it. I love Soap and Glory. So yeah, so I love that. And then I got rapid wrinkle repair retinol serum. Okay, and this is oh my gosh, the full size is $26.97. Yeah. Yeah, so I can use a little bit right here. I sleep on this side on my face. Yeah, so I always have some little things right here. Really? I don't know why. I always say you shouldn't do that too. You always should not do that. Okay, so that's that. And then I got this. It is lingerie, NYX lip lingerie gloss. And this is a full size actually, and this is $7.50 right here. So can you see that? Yeah. I don't want to hold it too close because I know there'd be a glare, you know, but this is a full size. So some things are full sizes and some aren't. Okay, and the last thing I got was a brow pencil, brow artist pencil. And this is dark brown, isn't it? I think. I don't use brown, but that's okay. You know, I can give it for a gift or something. That is $6.98, and this is full size too. So yeah, guys, so those are my boxes. So yeah, I mean, they do have some other things on here. Like I said, you know, like when you go on, you take a little test or quiz or something, and they kind of see what you like or whatever, you know. I always say skincare and hair stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, so those are my 2 Walmart beauty boxes. Yeah, so I wanted to come in and share them real quick. So yeah, so I know I do have another Makeup Monday coming up. I don't know when, but it's a small one. But yeah, I just wanted to, like I said, share that real quick with you guys. And I know I've been pumping out videos, right? I'm so behind, guys. Very behind on videos, so trying to pump out some stuff. Yes, I do have fashion coming up. I know you guys like the fashion the most. I get the most views. I get beautiful comments on my fashion. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like I said, I know you like my fashion so much. Oh, I want to tell you real quick too, these earrings, these octagon earrings, are from my business page. Okay, and I think I have 1 pair left. But yeah, like I said, I wanted to show you my gnomes. Really cute. All right, guys, so that's it. So I love you all so much, but I always say God loves you more. And like I say, stay happy, healthy, positive. Always, always, always keep your faith, because God is good. He's good. He's blessed me so much. All right, so I will see you all in my next video. Bye. All right.